In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Nintendo Switch game card error. So there's multiple reasons why this could be happening. And the first thing you always want to do is you want to check to see if the game card is being put into your Nintendo Switch properly. So to do this, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to the side of it just like so. And you basically want to make sure that it is inserted the correct way. So the correct way to do it is to have the game face the same side as the console. So look at this, guys. It is fitting in smoothly. So if I were to go ahead and put it backwards like this, it would not work and that would cause us an error. You also want to be gentle with this as well. And another really easy thing that I always do is to actually blow on the game card right over here. So blow over here and also blow in the card section right over here. So where you will put the card, blow inside of there. And that is basically going to push the air outside of it. And it could be that air that is obstructing the actual console from reading the card. So that is also something that I recommend that you guys do. I know it's a little bit silly, guys, but I've done it before and it actually does provide results. Okay, so you just want to go ahead and make sure you insert it properly. So go ahead and do that. And you want to hear that clicking sound. So once you hear that clicking sound, that means you are good to go. And please make sure to go ahead and cover it with the lid properly to avoid any type of damage or debris going inside of the card reader that could be causing future issues. Okay, now if things still aren't working, there could be two different reasons why. Number one, your console has an error. Or number two, the game card itself has an error. So what I personally recommend that you guys do is test it out with different game cards you have. So if you have another game card for like another game, go ahead and try that one out and see if that works, because it could be that just a particular card of yours maybe is defective or no longer works, or maybe there's like some type of damage or water damage or stuff like that, because that could actually be the issue. So if you're trying it with multiple different games, then that means that the console itself has the error. Okay, now it's time for things that you could actually do within the console itself. So what I personally recommend that you guys do is go to the system settings down here. There you go. Go ahead and press on that. Then you want to go ahead and select on system. So it's literally all the way at the bottom over here. Go ahead and press on systems. Then you want to go ahead and select on system update. And you want to check if there's any updates on your system, because that could actually be another issue. Why? Is that your actual like console itself is very outdated. So you need to make sure that it is recent, it is up to date, and that it can do everything pretty fast. All right, so another possibility is that maybe you're having an SD card issue. So if you're using a micro SD card using this process, then you want to remove it and test the game card again. A corrupted SD card can sometimes interfere and could cause your game to no longer work. So please make sure that your SD card is in good condition and that you actually are able to go ahead and use it. And obviously, this should come as a general. You should always go ahead and check for any physical damage on your actual system, because if there's any physical damage, like maybe the screen is cracked or something like that, or maybe water got inside the card reader over here, that could be another reason why. Okay, but if you have some serious damage or you have some serious software issues, then what I recommend that you guys do is contact Nintendo support or their Seek Repair program. And you guys can contact Nintendo support directly via www.nintendo.com. And from there, you're able to go ahead and initiate the repair process. But the most common fix to this is by cleaning out both the console and the card. Now, again, you could just do it by blowing on it, or you guys can go ahead and just shake out the console and shake the actual card itself to get any debris or dust out of the way. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.